In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Notion to Make.com. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your scenario where you want to connect Notion, and then you want to click on the plus button, and from here, under all apps, you want to search for Notion, okay? You can, of course, scroll as well. I'm just going to find it up here and click on Notion. Now, over here, you'll be able to select what action you want to take or select. So, there's a bunch of different ones over here. Of course, depending on whatever you want to achieve, you may select any of these ones. I'm just going to go with a simple one. For example, let's go with create a database. So I'm going to click on it, and over here, as you can see, the first thing you have to do is create a connection, and this will allow you to connect Notion to Make.com. So I'm going to click on it, and then here you can select your connection type. It could be public or internal. I'm just going to do public over here, and then the connection name, you can also give it a name. I'm just going to name it tutorial connection right now. Okay, that's gonna be it. You have the advanced settings as well if you wanna. I'm going to skip these and just click on the save button. Whenever you do this, it's gonna open a new tab, and that tab is gonna open directly inside Notion. Okay, so if you are logged into Notion on your computer, on your web browser, it's automatically going to recognize this. But if you are not, then you'll have to sign in using your credentials. So as you can see here, it did recognize I recently signed into Notion, so it signed me in automatically. And then from here, it's going to tell you what permissions Make will have with Notion, and you can see you can click on select pages down here, and then you'll be able to, of course, select the pages you want. So I'm going to go to my private, and I'm just going to select a random tutorial page I have over here. Now you could do multiple as well. I'm just going to do this one for now because it doesn't really matter. But of course, if you want to achieve something with multiple pages, then you have to, of course, allow it connection to multiple pages. Then click on the allow access button. Wait for it to authorize. Usually it's pretty quick, and then there we go. It's going to say verifying connection, and yeah, there we go. As you can see over here, this has now successfully connected Notion to Make.com. Now in here, of course, you want to set different parent page IDs. Then it's going to ask you for your database titles. Now these things are more advanced, and depending on whatever you want to achieve, you'll have to put different things in here. Okay, so you have like these variables, etc., and then you have to give them descriptions, icons, stuff like that. Okay, but that's essentially how to connect Notion to Make.com. This is the basic, and as you can see, my connection right now has been established. Okay, so if I click on the save button over here, again, it's going to tell me I have to put in different things over here as well because I haven't done it fully. But essentially, when you customize this, you're good, and you've successfully added and connected Notion, and you have your kind of credentials over here. Okay, so if you go here on the left where you can see credentials, I'm going to also save the changes over here. I'm going to save it anyway. You can see under credentials, it says I now have a tutorial connection with Notion, which means it's now successfully connected. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.